How to disconnect Ethernet without unplugging cable in Windows 11. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new tutorial, and in this video we will see how we can disconnect Ethernet without unplugging cable in Windows 11. So let's get started. So in your Windows 11, navigate to search bar and then search for control panel. Once you're in your control panel, first of all, you have to go to View by, click on Category and make sure that the category option is selected. Now under this, you have to go to Network and Internet. Once you go to Network and Internet, again click on Network and Sharing Center. Now under Network and Sharing Center, navigate to your left hand side and there is an option as Change Adapter Settings. Click on it. Now under this, there is an Ethernet. All you have to is right click on it and then from this drop down box click on Disable. And with that, the Ethernet or your internet in your Windows 11 will be disabled. Again, to enable it, you have to come to the same place and right click on it and there will be enable option instead of disable. Click on it and then again the internet will be enabled. So that's how you disable Ethernet without removing cable in Windows 11, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorials.